Hello, my fellow nerds. It's your buddy Mike Myers welcoming you to my CompTIA Network Plus N10-007 series for you to go ahead, understand and learn and pass the CompTIA Network Plus exam. I've got to tell you, I teach lots and lots of courses, but for me, doing networking like this is probably the single most fun course that I teach. There's a lot of reasons for that. First of all, I'm a hardware nerd. And there's few things I like better than taking some time and playing with switches and routers and wireless access points and intrusion detection systems. And man, we get to play with all that stuff right here in this series. So just to give you an idea of some of the stuff we'll be covering, like cabling and topologies. So you'll know the difference between single mode and multi-mode fiber and what really is the difference between Cat5e and Cat6a. Not only do you understand IP addressing, and when I say IP, I'm talking about IP version 4 and IP version 6, but all of the different ports, knowing what TCP versus UDP versus IGMP and all that stuff, you're going to have that down. We also cover routing, and I'm not just talking about little SOHO routers here. We're going to get to an enterprise level on this as well. So dealing with things like OSPF, RIP, BGP, that's all in this course as well. Now, everybody likes wireless networking, and I don't blame you. We're going to be looking at it from an enterprise level as well as within a SOHO level. And of course, we got to be talking about virtualization and cloud computing today, so get ready to get virtualized as we go into different types of hypervisors and setting up real virtual networks and making them work for a living. And while we're talking about things that really ought to be covered, of course, we're going to do plenty of mobile in here. So bring out your smartphones and your tablets. We're going to get those devices on a network. And we're going to get them configured the way you need to make sure they're running well. And last, and this is a big part of this course, is the concept of security, and in particular, not just how to do security, but getting into the zen of security. So concepts like risk management and things like that are also a really big part of this course. I love this course, and I feel that this course by itself is everything you need to pass the Network Plus exam. However, I would recommend that you also pick up a copy of my McGraw-Hill CompTIA Network Plus book. This book is really helpful, and the book and the video work very, very closely together. They're not exact, but they're pretty close. And if you're the type of person who enjoys reading, I think you'll find this to be extremely helpful. The last thing you got to remember is that you're going to be taking a certification exam. And if you're taking a certification exam, you need practice questions. And my company, Total Seminars, also provides our Total Tester online product. Now, it's going to cost you a little extra money. Capitalism, what can I say? But you find that good practice questions that copy the look and feel of the real exam are probably really helpful for you to go ahead and make sure that you pass the Network Plus on the first try. So, folks, you got to get ready for this. This is a very high energy course, so grab your screwdrivers and let's get started learning Network Plus.